Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the IT class. So, in the last class, we have started the chapter that we are going to the last portion of this chapter. So, we can move ahead with the questions. Okay. Activity 5.2 Animate the sprite. Dear children, in the last class we have opened the Scratch software by clicking on Applications, Programming, then Scratch. After that we have included the stage as the background. Next we have included sprite 1, that is car. Okay. Now we are going to animate the sprite, which means we are going to move the car. Okay, so let us see how can we move the car. Here you can see some tab options. Okay, so this block is known as block palette. Okay, the name is block palette. This is script area. This is block palette. Okay, so let us see how can we animate the sprite or how can we move the car. Okay, so for that, first of all I will introduce some block palette buttons for you. Here you can see motion, then control, looks, sensing, sound, operators, then pen and variables. Okay, so first of all motion. This is the motion option. To move the sprites in the Scratch stage in different ways. So here you can see lot of codes. Okay, lot of instructions. So these instructions are inside the tab motion. Okay, so these instructions are used to move the sprite in different ways. Okay, to moving the sprite. So by the name itself you will get the idea. Motion means moving. Okay, moving the sprites. Second tab is control. Okay, so these are the instructions in control in yellow color. Okay, that is to control the movement of sprites, which means we can move the car. It will control the movement. Okay, use the instructions in this tab to decide when and how long the sprite should move. Okay, next third one, looks. Looks will be looking in violet color. Okay, the size, interaction, whether to hide or show the sprites, etc. are arranged in this tab. Okay, here are show, hide buttons. Next is sensing. That is in sky blue color. To control the movement of sprites according to the instructions given in the keyboard or the color of the monitor. So I have already said that in the last class, if the car is touching in the green color, then you will be get out from the game. Okay, so these instructions are inside the sensing tab. Okay, next is sound. Okay, to control the audio of the sprite. If you are interested in giving audios to this game, you can make use of these instructions. Next one, operators. It is in green color. The instructions to solve mathematical problems and to compare them are included in this tab. Okay, next after operators you can see pen option. Dark green color. To draw figures on Scratch screen. Pen means if you want to draw figures, you can use pen tab, and here are lot of instructions with the pen tab. Next, variables. Okay, variables means you have already studied what you mean by variables in the chapter programming, which means Python. Okay, so we can use variables to include variables in the project, which means this is our project game, making game. So if you want to include variables, you can make use of the variables tab. For example, we have to include variables to decide the score of the game. We can use these variables for giving the scores. Okay, so dear children, you have to know what are the uses of each and every tab, but we are using the 4 tabs, that is motion, control, looks and sensing tab. Okay, so we can move to the activities. Our plan is that if we are clicking on the up arrow key in the keyboard, the car wants to move forward. If we are clicking on the down arrow key, then the car wants to be move backward. Next, if we are clicking on right arrow key, then it want to turn to right, and obviously if we are looking or pressing left arrow key, it want to turn left. Okay, so to perform these actions, we want to arrange the instructions in the script area. This is the script area. We want to arrange the instructions from the block palette and arrange it in the script area. Okay, so first of all we want to add the instruction, that is, you can see in the motion tab, move 10 steps. Okay, and you can see that if up arrow key is pressed, that is in this sensing tab. Okay, here we can see, just drag it to the script area. Now key space pressed. Okay, so you have to bring the if tag. If tag means that is in the control block. This is the if tag, so bring it to the script area. And you have to adjust the key, that is key pressed in this space. Okay, you can see a small hole here. Okay, so place it there. If key dash pressed, which means we can give up arrow. Okay, so if up arrow key pressed, what want to happen? Yes, the car must be move forward. Okay, so move is in the motion tab. Move 10 steps. Okay, so we can change this value. Okay, now I am changing the value 10 to 5. So if up arrow key pressed, the car want to move 5 steps. Okay, move 5 steps. Next, if down arrow key pressed, the car must move 5 steps backward. Okay, so bring the if here and fix it. Next, bring the key pressed, that is in the sensing tab. Okay, key pressed, change this to down arrow. Next, motion, move. You have to change this value to minus value. Okay, because the motion is backward. For that, you have to give the minus value. So, if up arrow key is pressed, move 5 steps, which means forward. Next, if down arrow key is pressed, then move minus 5 steps, which means move backward. Okay, next we have to give left and right arrow. if, next key pressed, change to right arrow, next motion, you have to turn it. Okay, so turn to right. Okay, this is the option for turn right. I am changing 15 to 5. Next, repeat the same process. If, next key pressed, which key? Left arrow. Okay, next motion, turn left. This is the left, okay, direction. You can see the arrow mark, it is turning to left direction. Okay, and changing this to 5. Okay, so our keys are ready. You can see this. If up arrow pressed, move 5 steps. Down arrow, move 5 steps backward. Right arrow, turn right. Then left arrow, turn left. That is 5 degrees each. Okay. Next, we can include another instruction, that is forever. Okay, here we can see forever. So forever means, what is the use of forever? It is used to continue the activity till the game ends. In the given example, the sprite moves forward, backward and left and right by clicking on the up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow used till the game ends. Okay, so we can include this forever tab for all the instructions. Okay, like this, which means we have to do this activity till the game ends. That is forever tag. Okay, next one, here we can see when flag clicked. Okay, so here you can see a green color tag. If you want to active the instructions, you have to click on the green flag. So just add this at the top. Okay, so when flag clicked means to start the game, when we click on start button, this is the start button. Okay, so we have to add the when flag clicked instruction, that is in the control tab. Okay, so these are all about instructions. Is it clear? So this when flag clicked is in control tab, next forever is in control tab, if is in control tab. Next key pressed, these 4 instructions that are in the sensing tab. Next this move 5 steps, next move turn 5 degrees, that are all in the motion tab. Okay, so we can just start our game. For that you have to click on this flag. Okay, click on the flag. Now I am placing the car here. Okay, now I am checking that when I am pressing the up arrow key in my keyboard, if it is moving forward, I am pressing on the up arrow. Okay, listen here, I am pressing up arrow. See, the car is moving forward. Now I want to change the direction for left side. Okay, so look at here, for turn 5 degree left, we want to click on left arrow. So I am clicking on the left arrow. Now my car is changing the direction to left side. Now I am clicking on the up arrow, left arrow, up arrow, next left arrow, next up arrow. Okay, now I have to change the position to left side, so click on left arrow. Okay, now you have to change it to right side, so click on the right arrow, then up arrow, next to right arrow, up arrow. Okay, likewise you can play the game. But see dear children, now I am get out of the track, but I am not getting out from the game. Okay, I am scoring the marks. So is it fair? No. So we have to make instructions to end the game if we are touching on the green color. Okay, so that we can do in the next class. So you have to remember the tabs, that is motion, control, looks and sensing. Okay, and you have to fill your table, that is table 5.4 in your textbook. Okay, I will show you that table 5.4. This is table 5.4. So you have to fill this. Key down arrow pressed. What is the group? Sensing. Then key right arrow pressed. It is also sensing. Left arrow sensing. Next key A pressed. That is also in sensing. Next move -5 steps. That is in motion tab. Okay, likewise you have to fill this. Here also you have to write the explanation, use of this tab. Okay, these instructions. What is the use? To inform the program that right arrow key is pressed. Here to inform the program that left arrow key is pressed. Here to inform the program that the letter, the alphabet A or the variable A is pressed. Okay, so you have to write down and complete the table, table 5.4. Okay, so this is our activity 5.3, when the car moves out of the track. Okay, that we can do in the next class. So you have to write one word question and answers from the topic that I have taken today and send it to me. Okay, so thank you dear children. Stay at your home.